Rise and shine, Franklin County. I'm meteorologist Jamie Singleton, and we are looking at a Friday, the 13th. Oh my goodness. Hopefully it'll be a lucky day for you, or at least a normal day anyway. It's been kind of crazy lately, but we'll get through it together. Weather-wise, we are looking at a weakening complex of storms moving in over the mountains through Kentucky and out of West Virginia. These are holding together mainly in Campbell County. You can see some heavier rain south of Lynchburg. So if your travels take you into that part of the area, watch out for some heavier rainfall. There's also some heavier rain with some embedded thunder and lightning out across the Mountain Empire as you make your way through the coal fields of Virginia, and a trail, kind of a tail off this thing in Lynchburg here. This is a complex of storms, so it wasn't just one overnight that moved in. That was the same storm that brought possibly severe weather in Kentucky overnight, but it's weakened now, still leaving us with some heavier storms and some rain showers this morning, specifically in Rocky Mount, just to the east of town there across Pinhook. It was raining hard at the TV station. I can tell you it is a warm and muggy morning out there. Temperatures at 55 degrees at the Roanoke Airport, but 61 in Redwood, 63 into Martinsville, and 61 in Danville, 61 in the New River Valley. Whenever it gets this warm, you know something's going on. There is a cold front off to the west that'll be moving in later on today, but it's not going to do much to our temperatures, at least in the near term. It's going to stay actually quite mild out there. Because we're getting such a boost in temperatures, we'll probably be up into the lower 70s for high temperatures today. The national picture shows the front that's moving through the area now. Some flooding in West Virginia earlier. Flash flood warning remains in effect there for the southwest part of the state, nowhere near our area. But what I'm watching is a second storm system here across the Four Corners. This one's going to be moving in for the weekend, so we are going to see some temporary clearing, but a lot of wind across the area today. As this clearing takes place, we are going to see wind speeds up around 30 miles per hour in gusts, and then after that we start to introduce more of a cold rain coming up for late Saturday, going into Saturday night and going into early on Sunday. Behind that will be a cold air wedge that will develop. You can see temperatures today 60s, 70s. It's going to be a warm day, but then we take it down a notch for the day on Saturday. Temperatures in the middle 50s for Saturday, maybe some upper 50s across the area. But for what I want to point out here, Sunday going into Monday, we get into what we call a cold air wedge, and that will send temperatures for highs only down into the 40s for high temperatures, and that will continue to be the case again for the following Monday before we warm back up with more scattered showers and maybe a couple of thunderstorms and the warmer weather that's coming our way for next Tuesday. In the meantime, it's a wet morning. Have the umbrella in hand and put the rocks in the pockets coming up for the afternoon, as we are looking at a very windy afternoon as this rain clears out. Have a great day.